Vlogtober. It is October 3rd and it is currently 5 p.m. It is super late. I didn't really film anything today because first of all, I slept in today. I didn't feel like going to the gym in the morning. I thought that would be my video for today, like showing you my workout routine, but it didn't happen because I couldn't really fall asleep last night. I think I stood up until like 3-4 a.m. because I couldn't sleep and my whole body was in pain, and then I had nightmares all night long. So it was a rough night. I didn't get enough of sleep, so I've decided to stay in bed. My husband went to the gym alone in the morning and I was just sleeping until probably 11, 10:30, 11, 11, yeah, 11. And then I was just cooking, cleaning around, and doing random things at home. And then I was watching some videos on like YouTube topics. I really enjoy watching those. I really enjoy seeing other people showing how they edit their videos and like listen to their advices. It's very interesting. That's something I really love. I think editing is I hate it, but at the same time, it's the most exciting thing about filming. I mean, you can film anything, but to edit something, it takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of creativity, it takes a lot of thoughts, and I really enjoy doing that. I mean, when I start editing videos, it takes, like, sometimes it can take up to 6 to 7 hours to edit one video, and when you watch it, it's probably like nothing that special to you, but it is very special to me because I understand how much time I spent on creating this video, on editing this video. Not even creation can take like 30 minutes, but then the editing part is the longest part ever for me because I want to try new things. I want to experiment with it while my channel is still small, and yeah, it's just something I really love. So I was watching that video, and at the same time I was thinking of whether or not I should create a channel in Russian, because English is not my first language, it's not my mother tongue, and sometimes I find it a little bit difficult to film in English. I make some stupid mistakes, and sometimes I notice them when I edit the video, and sometimes I upload the video and then I receive like comments from people correcting me, and sometimes they're pretty objective and I'm like, okay, cool, thank you so much for letting me know that I did this wrong or that I said this incorrectly. Awesome. But sometimes these comments can be a little bit too harsh. I mean, I'm not that fluent in English. I'm not a native English speaker. So it is sometimes it is a little bit difficult to express my thoughts, to express myself in a way that I want to be expressed, in the way that I see it in my head. And sometimes it is also very difficult for me to put all my thoughts together and create like a proper sentence out of them. So I was thinking of maybe I should start another channel in Russian. This way I'll be able to express all my feelings, but at the same time I still want to do this channel because I've met so many amazing people and I really appreciate all of you who follow me, who subscribe to my channel. You're really awesome, like you guys are the best. So I really want to keep doing that, but at the same time I want to do something in my mother tongue, Russian, and I'm not sure if I should create a whole separate channel and a whole separate Instagram for that, because then it's going to be like double the work, and it is also very difficult to start from zero when you don't have any subscribers, when you don't have any followers on the Instagram. It's so freaking hard to gain the first 100 subscribers, 100 followers. It's like people don't really know you. They don't really know what the heck you're doing here on YouTube. They can't even see you because you're so little, like you have 0 subscribers. So YouTube doesn't take you seriously, like nobody takes you seriously, and nobody sees you really, and it takes so much time and so much effort to grow. So it's gonna be really tough if I decide to create like the whole new separate channel for that. But I was thinking of maybe creating videos in Russian but upload them on my regular channel. I know it's gonna cause some confusion, and I know some people might not like that because they'll see that I uploaded something but it's not in English, it's in Russian. So maybe I should create like 2 exact same videos and upload them on the exact same time. But again, it is a lot more work, and maybe I'll feel like doing separate things for these 2 languages, you know? I really don't know, but I really want to start filming something in Russian. It's also going to be easier for me and my family to participate in these videos because my whole family speaks Russian only. Like my sister, she knows English, but like my parents, they don't speak almost any English, so I can never put them in these videos. My brother is so little, so of course he speaks Russian only with us. And my husband, like whenever we're together, obviously we speak Russian. It's our mother tongue. That's how we communicate at home. We never speak English. This video is getting so long already because yeah, there's this thing that I wanted to discuss with you. I wanted to tell you. What do you think? Should I do it? Should I not do it? I'm really not sure. I don't know what to do. I spoke with my mom and my husband, and I asked them if it was a good idea to start another channel in Russian, and they said, well, do whatever you want. Like, it's not like they don't care, but they don't really know what to say. They don't know what to advise. But one thing that's stopping me from creating another channel or doing other videos in Russian is probably the people, the community. On my channel, most of the people have been really amazing and very supportive. But whenever I go on a Russian celebrity or blogger, Instagram or YouTube, and then I read the comments, most of the comments are so freaking nasty and mean. I don't even get them. People can be so harsh and so brutal, and that's really upsetting. The mentality is so different from, let's say, the European one. People are just, I don't know, less supportive of you. They don't think that YouTube is something people are supposed to do. They don't think that YouTube is something like serious, or it's not like a proper job and people shouldn't do that. And of course this is true. YouTube is very unpredictable. Like this month you can get more money, the other month you can make less money. But if you do it as a hobby, why not? But people are still so judgy, and that's something I'm afraid of. That's why I don't really want to do my YouTube channel in Russian, because I just don't want that judgment, because it can be really harsh and really mean. Even my mom, she agrees with me on that. She has an Instagram and she follows some celebrities from Russia, and she says, like, whenever I go in their comment section and I read the comments that people write, she's like, oh my god, if I were that person, I would never ever want to post anything ever again, because some of the comments can be so mean. So mean. People judge you for everything, like the pose you make, the smile, your teeth, your nose, like your personality, your work, your music, your movies, like anything. They're just so judgy and so mean and such pain in the ass. So I have doubts, but at the same time I have the desire. I really want to try it out. Let me know what you think about that. Should I do it, or should I just stick to my channel and do the best I can out of it? And so now I have to answer some emails. I have a couple appointments to make, and then I have to edit another video that I really want to upload and that I think a lot of you might like because it was a requested video. I have 2 parcels that I have to pick up from downstairs, so maybe I will do that now and show you what I got in the mail, because I have no clue. I think one of the items is probably my iPhone case, but again, I'm not sure. There is another thing that I'm waiting and that I'm pretty excited about. It's a pretty basic day at home. There is nothing very special I do today, and so that's why I didn't vlog that much. I'm really sorry, but hopefully tomorrow and the weekends will be more fun than today. So I got something in the mail. I'm sure this one is for my iPhone. It's probably the phone case, but yeah, this is my clear phone case, which is so cool. I think I prefer it better to the yellow one. This way you can actually see the color of my phone, which is green. Yeah, this looks really nice, and it actually feels a lot slimmer and lighter because this case was a little bit too big and it was quite heavy, so this is so much better. And then I've got another one. What is this? This is not for me. Yeah, this is my husband's. He got something. It's like the window tint, I think. He needed one for his office, so that one is for him. I actually thought it was something different for me, for my bags that I got, but I guess it's still not here yet. Anyway, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here because I'm gonna start editing now. I have to edit 2 videos tonight, so the Vlogtober video and the other one is gonna be a separate video, like a regular sit-down video, not a vlog. It's not going to be a part of a Vlogtober, and I'm not sure if I'll upload it today as well or if I'll upload it tomorrow during the day. I think probably tomorrow because I'm not sure if I'll be able to edit both videos together tonight, so we'll see. Anyway, I'll keep you guys posted. Thank you so much for watching this Vlogtober, the 3rd video. It wasn't as exciting and I didn't really do anything, but anyway, thank you so much for sticking around. You're the best, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.